How's it, beautiful people? We are going for a drive today to the beautiful island of Ortigia, which is the historical center of Syracuse. It's a little island, Greek influence. We're going to take some footage, show you what we mean by Greek influence, and we will show you the beautiful places and architecture that there is there.
Will we get something to eat?
Absolutely, because not eating in Ortigia is a sin. Absolutely.
Okay guys, see you later.
See you in a bit. Hey Mario, good morning.
Good morning, my brother. How you doing, man?
Very good, and you? You are the...
I'm the black man, very strong man.
Okay, this is Mario, and
Yeah.
he looks after all his little market. He's got a very good store,
That is my friend.
and that's his friend, yeah, obviously. Okay. And yeah, this is a very good friend of mine, and he is African like we are. Okay, Mario, see you after, buddy.
All right, thank
Ciao,
you,
ciao.
my friend Massimo.
This guy is pretty famous. He does some sandwiches with a little bit of cheese. Here we go.
We are cheesemaker, we are Borderi, family in cheese. If you want to try cheese, why not? It's free
Why
test.
are you holding your mouth?
Do you want to try cheese?
Yeah, why
Come in, come
let's
in,
go try
come
some
in,
cheese.
come in, come in,
Yeah,
come
let's
in.
go.
This guy is Mr. Gaetano. Him are cheesemaker. What's your name?
Ciao, ciao.
Mary, now I ask Gaetano, is possible take a business card, the first business card you can eating and not conserve it in your pocket. Mister, we are very famous
Sorry, do
into
you want
the
to
world.
repeat your name, please?
My name today, it's Tuesday, Marion.
Marion.
Today, Marion.
Okay, Marion.
Tomorrow, Sharon.
Marion.
I change name.
Guarda che tuo figlio lo conosce.
Emanuele Faranda.
Come no? Certo. Anzi, me lo saluti, eh?
Yes.
It's on fire.
With the fire is the sandwich number 6, where inside you can try the world.
Per i miei cari
Because
amici,
we are the
Antonio.
world, we are Borderi.
This is Marion for them.
Mary, this is Amore. This is business card. The smoked mozzarella.
Wow.
Mr. Gaetano make 2 hours ago. The buffalo milk, smoked with the peel of almonds, and in the top it's homemade onion jam.
Wonderful. Look
Wonderful.
at
It's my nickname into the night. Tony Wonderful.
that. Love Borghieri, guys. Please come and taste these amazing homemade cheeses.
Grab a piece. Lovely.
Oh my god. Yeah, thank you. Amazing.
Thank you.
Absolutely
Mrs.
amazing.
Mary.
Thank you very much, Mario.
Thank you.
Mario,
See
thank
you
you.
for lunch. I wait you.
Va bene.
I love Borderi. Para, 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 para.
is where the original perfume Ortigia comes from. It comes from Ortigia. So this is the mathematical sign of pi, which was invented by Archimedes, and Archimedes actually was from Syracuse. So you will see this sign everywhere on the island.
Ah, noi perché ti sei nascosto?
We are in the square in Piazza Duomo, and behind me is the Cathedral of Syracuse. It was originally the temple of Athena, and now it has become a huge cathedral, and it is the main attraction in Ortigia. Everything happens in the square.
It's a very big tourist attraction, yeah. Because of its glamour. Very beautiful.
Okay, so there are a lot of options for having lunch here in Ortigia. It's pretty full with a lot of restaurants, cafes and bars. In the winter, we've noticed that obviously a few of them are closed. That's Sicily. They seem to sort of close down in winter. But there are a few still open. I'm quite impressed actually, and I can still see quite a few tourists even in, like we're at the end of November. If you want to grab something at the market, it's pretty fresh. They'll make you a good sandwich with fresh cheese or ham.